Hey everyone, today we are showing you our Overland Bed Rack. This is our Overland Bed Rack. We have this bed rack available for the Toyota Tacoma, Toyota Tundra, and the Chevy Colorado. This is an awesome Overland bed rack that you can get in 3 different configurations. You can get a low pro bed rack, which will sit 8 inches above the top rail of the truck. We have a mid-height bed rack, which will be 11 inches, and that's what's seen here. And we have a tall rack, which is 17.5 inches, which goes just about to the roof of the truck. This is a great rack because it gives you endless opportunities for mounting all of your accessories and goods. Pictured here with our side panels with the MOLLE integrations allows endless mounting opportunities. This rack is a mix of aluminum and steel, not only making it lightweight but extremely durable. With aluminum side panels, aluminum top panels, and aluminum crossbars, it gives this rack a very light weight. This rack here is around 40 pounds. You can also mount your tents, your gas tanks, many other accessories to these racks. The installation is very simple. It's a direct bolt-on product that fits in the rail system of your vehicle and requires no modification. It can be done with tools you have at home in about an hour. Thanks for watching, everyone. To see more products like these and all of our other products for the Tacoma, check out our website in the link below or visit our channel to see more videos and install guides.